guys, this is IIL02 and welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm going to unbox my birthday gifts from my boyfriend. So, he loves surprising me and last year, I got a nice Lacoste bag from him. So today, di ko alam kung ano makakuha ko kasi we ordered this from Namshi! So, pero meron siyang ibang gift sa akin. So, yun yung first na i-unbox natin, which is, let's start. Tada! This is it. So, this is the Charles & Keith wallet. Ayan siya, guys. So, meron siyang maliit na dust bag. And, eto na siya, guys! So, ang ganda ng color niya, it's dark green. So, before I had a gift from him also, it's a guest wallet. Medyo nawa-wasted na siya. Kasi, ganun talaga gumamit ng isang item. Once binigay mo sa akin, I'm going to use it always. So, this is my new wallet. Just in case, para lang hindi masira yung isa kong wallet galing sa kanya. Okay, so, let's check inside. Sana may pahabs, sana may lamang pera. Uy, alam niyo ba, pag nagre-regalo dapat ng wallet, dapat may laman. Kasi daw maswerte yun para lagi magkakaroon ng laman yung wallet. So guys, ito yung inside niya. So it has a flip. It has a flip card holder. Okay. And so ito yung tatak niya. And then there's a coin slot here. May zipper siya. And ito yung pinaka-inside. Yan. So, thank you so much sa first gift ko, which is a Charles & Keith wallet. At this is it, guys. Ito na yung main thing. Excited ako buksan yung tada! Namshi. So, we ordered this from Namshi and today din siya dumating. So, guys, don't worry. Yung nagdala nito from Namshi, naka-gloves siya. Though I sprayed some alcohol here. Ito na tayo, guys. So, let's open it. I'm excited. Cool. Ayan. So, it was my birthday last Thursday, April 2. Kaya, nabigyan ako ng gift na ganito ni boyfriend. So, since hindi naman siya makakabili outside, so, order niya ako sa Namshi. Ang hirap niya buksan. Ayaw na talaga ata magpabukas. And, ayan na siya, guys! Okay. So, I'm just gonna show you what's inside. Ayan, medyo madami siya. I'm not sure, apat ata to. So, let's check it one by one. Let me put this here. And, first one. Okay, so, this is, ayan, shop it, wear it, share it, Namshi! So, hindi na nila siya zinip-lock properly. I mean, pinlastic properly, yung para hindi na ako mahirapan tanggalin. So, ito yung first thing. Tada! So, it's a brush set from Pink Cactus. Ilang pieces to. So, okay. Ang ganda niya, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna show you guys. Ito siya. So, it's 7 pieces of makeup brushes. So, bata ko binila ng ganito. Ang cute ng colors. Parang unicorn. Kasi po, ang dali ko nakukuha ang makeup. Tapos, hindi ko siya ginagamit kasi wala akong brushes. Ganon. Yun lang yung reason bakit ako nabilhan ng ganito. So, I really like this items. So, tanggalin lang natin ito. Lagyan natin dyan. And, next. I'm not sure ano to, pero ayan siya, guys. Nakabox siya. Panibagong bukas-bukas na naman ako. So, ayan. And ayan. Guys, be careful using scissors. Actually, mas maganda pag nag-unbox kayo ng gifts. Wow, gifts. Nag-unbox kayo ng items that you ordered online. Dapat po, mas okay ang cutter. But for the meantime, wala kasi akong cutter, kaya I'm using scissors. So guys, ito yung laman ng box. So it's a... Ooh! It's a cosmetic organizer. So sana nakikita nyo guys, kasi I'm not really sure. Ayan siya. Cosmetic organizer by... Ayan. So, it's a 9-slot cosmetic organizer. So, ayun nga. Sabi ko sa inyo guys, kasi ang hilig ko sa makeup, lipstick lalo na. Siguro kaya ako nabilhan ng ganito. Ay, buksan natin. Let's see anong itsura niya. And, okay. Okay. So, this is a polystyrene type of cosmetic organizer. Kasi alam ng boyfriend ko, mapag-organize ako ng mga bagay-bagay. May pagka-OC po ako sa items. Gusto ko lagi naka-organize or naka-box. Or basta mayroon siyang lalagyanan. Ayoko nang nakastock lang siya ng gano'n. Yan! Tada! So, I hope you can see it. So, it's really nice. So, it has 7 slots, I think, for lipsticks. And then, pwede din dito yung brushes. And then, this one is a bit of open. So, you can at least stock up some palettes or foundations. So, ayan siya. And, okay. Natuwa naman ako dito kasi nahilig talaga ako mag-organize. Let's just put it back inside. And let's go to the next item. So, ilan na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, may 5 items sa loob. Ugh. Okay. So, ito, wala siyang box. So, this is Bow Details Small Icon in color black na bag ng Ted Baker. Ay, ang cute niya, guys. It's super liit. Sana magkasya yung buhay ko dito kasi I'm known to be using tote bags, malalaking bag. But this is Ted Baker, so I think this is a good kind of product. Ay, may naka-sticky lang siya. So, yan. I mean, siguro kung lalabas ako for like mabilisan lang or dyan lang. Wow, dyan lalabas ako, mag-grocery ako, naka-Ted Baker na bag ako. Ayan. So, black. Sana nakita niyo siya. It's really nice. Maganda siya. So, I think this is gonna be durable naman. So, ayan. Panibagong bag. Pagagalitan na talaga ako kasi ang hilig ko sa bag. Kasi hindi ko naman lahat nagagamit. So, I'm just gonna show you guys. Ayan siya. Ted Baker. So, small lang siya. Okay. Thank you so much. So, next item na tayo. Okay. Oh. So, this is L'Oreal X Namshi Parisian Glam Mystery Box. So, guys, I'm not gonna open the mystery box kasi it's gonna be for another video. But, just to give you some, I think, idea about this. So, Namshi has mystery boxes, gift sets on their site. So, ito yung next item ulit. It's NYX Professional Makeup by Namshi. So, it's also a mystery box. And I'm gonna unbox this too in a separate video. So, guys, ito yung... sana all. My boyfriend. Char. Ayan. So, ito yung gift sa akin ng boyfriend ko for my birthday. So, guys, I hope... Ayan. Nakita nyo at nag-enjoy kayo sa aking unboxing. And before this video ends, guys, I'll be having a giveaway for my birthday. So you just have to check at the very end of this video what will you be having for my giveaway. So if you like like this video and subscribe, and see you on my next video. Bye! So guys, as I've told you, I'm feeling generous right now because I just wanted to know that April is my birth month, so it's a long month birthday celebration for me. So I'll be giving away some items for my birthday. So what we're gonna be winning? So these are the items. So these are Marble Steam Eye Pack, and then Tara Algae Ampule Therapy Mask. Also another face mask, skincare mask. So these are 7 pieces inside. And you'll have a simple products, micellar face wash, facial wash, cleansing wipes. Also, Urban and Beda Purifying Body Wash. So there. And then Cubic Cream, Replenish Your Skin Cream. So there. And Beesline products. So these are Beesline, Beesline, Beesline products. So there. So these are suntan oil. And then there are Beesline whitening gel with SPF, and also gold suntan lotion. So there. And also another Beesline product, whitening cleanser 4-in-1. So ayan siya. And what else? So I'll also be giving away this work 24-hour skin solutions. Deep sleep pillow spray. So guys, this is used for easy sleeping. So it's actually therapeutic. And then, of course, matte, long-lasting lip gloss. So yan guys. And some products that is very useful for every day. So this is a mini USB fan from Leave. And I'm off to get some vitamin C travel tag, and also a card holder and phone stand that you can attach to your phone. So these are essentials. And also a swatch product. So this is something I'm not gonna show you. So for those who's gonna ask me what is this a swatch watch secret, you'll just eventually know if you'll be my lucky winner for this birthday giveaway. So guys, just head out on my Instagram page to know the rules for entering this giveaway. So like and subscribe, and see you on my next video. Bye!